Good morning. I am from Lokman Tilak School. In last video, we have started chapter number 4, solid, liquid and gases. In this chapter, distinguish between three states of matter explained. Understand how one state of matter change into another. Uh, this have also explained. Identify different type of solution and their importance. No. Distinguish between physical and chemical change. No. All of you know uh, how what does matter contain. Matter contain up tiny particles called molecules. These molecules cannot be seen. This have explained in last video. Molecules in solid, liquid and gas. In solid they are tightly packed, okay, and strong intermolecular force they have been together, okay. They have no space between their molecules. Look at this picture, they have no space, no, in solid. They have definite shape, they cannot flow. They have definite shape and volume. In liquid, molecules have some place. It can be flow, cannot be compressed. So their volume, however, remain fixed. Their volume is not fixed. The shape is also not fixed. We pour in any container, it took the shape of that container. They can flow and change their shape. Gas molecules in gases are loosely packed. Look at this picture. How many spaces are there ना? How many spaces are there? कितनी ज़्यादा जगह है? Okay. Molecules of this state move away from each other very easily. The gas neither have fixed shape nor volume. They easily flow. Change states into matter. Okay. You have already studied that states of matter can be changed. If solid को हम लोग हीट करेंगे तो मेल्ट हो जाएगा लिक्विड में, एंड देन लिक्विड को इवेपोरेट करेंगे तो वो चेंज हो जाएगी गैस में. इन अदर हैंड गैस ऑन कूलिंग कॉल कंडेंसेशन, ओके. और on cooling gas can change in liquid. On more cooling liquid change into solid. This is called freeze, changing states of matter. Okay, the simplest example to show the change into matter is water. That was explained in last video. By heating, ice change into water, and on boiling, water change into water vapor. This I have explained in last video ना. Last video में आपको बताया था इसको, आयुषी. Solution. When two and more substance mix together, एक दूसरे से mix करते हैं, such that they are easily distributed, वो easily distributed हो जाते हैं. solution is formed. क्या होता है? solution form होता है. The substance that is in greater quality, जो greater होता है, ज़्यादा में होता है, उसको solvent, and the substance that mix into it to form solution called solutes. क्या बोल रहा है? when two more substance mix together, जब दो को mix करेंगे, they can such that they evenly distribute हो जाएंगे, solution is formed. The substance that is greater quality, जो greater quality में होगा, is solvent, and the substance that mix into the form solute are called solutes. For example, एयर इज मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस. एयर में क्या है? कई तरीके की गैसेस हैं. द सॉल्वेंट इन दिस केस सॉल्वेंट क्या होता है? वुड बी नाइट्रोजन गैस सिंस इट इज ग्रेटर क्वांटिटी ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड अदर गैसेस वुड बी कॉल्ड सॉल्यूट्स. जो कम होती हैं उनको हम लोग सॉल्यूट्स कहते हैं. Sea water is another example of solution. In this case, water is solvent and the other minerals and salts are the solutes. जो minerals हैं और salt है वो solute है. Most substance dissolve in water. ज़्यादातर substance जो हैं वो वाटर में डिजॉल्व हो जाते हैं. हेंस वाटर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. वाटर इज नोन एज द यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट. सॉल्यूशंस मे बी various type. It depends on the states of the solute and the solvent. Solid dissolves in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute is a solid and solvent a liquid. For example, salt solution and sugar solution. Liquid dissolved in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute and the solvent are both liquid. अगर दोनों liquid होंगे. For example, lemon juice in water, honey in milk. Gas dissolves in liquid. This type of solution is formed when the solute is gas. जब solute जो है वो gas है and the solvent is liquid. For example, oxygen gas dissolves in water. Bodies like ponds and river aerated drink in which carbon dioxide dissolves in water. ओके गैस का क्या एग्जाम्पल दिया कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑक्सीजन गैस डिजॉल्व्स इन वाटर. ऑक्सीजन गैस जो है वो वाटर में डिजॉल्व हो जाती है. वाटर बॉडीज लाइक पॉन्ड्स एंड रिवर्स. aerated drink in which carbon dioxide is dissolved in water. Gas dissolves in gas. This type of solution is formed when the solute and solvent are both gas. Solute भी gas है और solvent भी. Solvent किसको कहते हैं? What is solvent? सॉल्यूट की क्वांटिटी कम रहती है, सॉल्वेंट की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा रहती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एयर विच इज मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी गैसेस. एयर इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी गैसेस. मिसकाबल एंड immiscible liquid. Miscible and immiscible liquids. When two liquids mix together such that they completely dissolves in each other. When two liquids, जब two liquids mix together, एक दूसरे से mix होते हैं, such that they completely dissolves in each other, दोनों एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो जाते हैं. दिस कॉल्ड मिसिबल लिक्विड. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? मिसिबल लिक्विड कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन विनेगर डिजॉल्व्स इन वाटर, विनेगर को जो हम वाटर में डिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इमिसिबल liquids are formed when two liquid on mixing do not dissolve, एक दूसरे में dissolve नहीं होते हैं completely in one another, एक दूसरे में नहीं होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल केरोसिन ऑयल एंड वाटर. आप वाटर में केरोसिन ऑयल डालिए, कभी नहीं मिक्स हो जाएगा. केरोसिन ऑयल फॉर्म अ सेपरेट लेयर ओवर द वाटर. जो केरोसिन ऑयल है वो सेपरेट लेयर बना देगी. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. This is your activity to prove that immiscible liquids. Edible oil and petrol also do not dissolve in water. Edible oil जो है and petrol do not dissolve in water. ये सब भी water में change नहीं हो सकते. देखिए immiscible liquid water, water kerosene or miscible liquid vinegar in water. Okay children, read this chapter at least 2 times by heart, and in next video I will continue to explain. Okay children, good day.